Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock Board Energy in Subway Surfer City. Board Energy is what allows you to use your hoverboards during runs. So if you want longer survivability and higher scores, this is something you definitely want to unlock and upgrade as early as possible. To unlock Board Energy, you need to progress through the game by leveling up and completing missions. As you keep playing and gaining experience, more features start to unlock, and Board Energy becomes available as part of your progression system. Once it is unlocked, you'll be able to activate your hoverboard during a run, and it will consume Board Energy over time. Now, this means you can't just use it endlessly, you need to manage it carefully. One of the best ways to make the most out of your board energy is to use your hoverboard at the right moments, like when the game gets faster or when you're about to crash. This helps you extend your run and keep your score going. You can also improve your overall performance by upgrading your boards and continue to leveling up, which can help you get more value out of your board energy over time. So just keep grinding missions, leveling up, and using your hoverboard smartly. You'll get the most out of the board energy in no time. And that's about it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!